In this short video, we will learn how to take attendance in Google Meet. As many people are using Google Meet for their online classes, but at present it lacks the attendance feature. But with the help of an extension, it can be solved. So without a delay, let's download the extension. Links of the extension that we are using will be available in the description of video. To download the extension, first click on the Chrome menu, then select the More option and then Extension from the More option. From the extension menu, select the Chrome Web Store option. Then search for the Meet attendance. Then select the Meet attendance and click on Add extension. You can pin the extension in the header of the browser also. You can see the extension is inactive now. As at present we don't have any Google Meet meeting, so this extension is not active. When we will be starting a meeting, then this extension will get activated.
To create a new meeting, first of all we have to click on this Google app icon. After clicking on Google app icon, we have to select Google Meet. Inside this Google Meet window, it is very clean and simple. Only 3 options are available: to start a meeting, to join a meeting, and to schedule a meeting. So we will be starting a new meeting, so we have to click on Start Meeting. After clicking on Join Now, you will be inside the meeting. The pop-up window will show you the meeting link, and you can add people from this option also. You can invite them using emails, and this is the meeting code. Let me show you what are the options that are available in Google Meet. This one is for the meeting detail, and in the center you will be having option to turn off and turn on your videos and audios, and in between them you have an option to leave the meeting, and you will be having an option to turn on caption. The turn on caption is useful to convert voice into text. Just beside this option, you will be having an option called Present Now to share your screen. In the People tab, basically you will be having 2 options: People and Chat. In the People tab, you can see all the peoples that are available, and in the Chat option, you can communicate with others. In between these 2 tabs, we have one more tab because we have installed the extension, and this option will be used to take the attendance. Before taking the attendance, let me join some people so that it will be more clear while taking the attendance. I will request from another account. So I have requested, and I can deny the request and I can admit the request. Similarly, I have requested from one more account. Let's admit the request. So now I have 3 persons in my meeting. Now I will show you how we can take attendance of these 3 people. So we have to click on this button in the center. Then we will be having 2 options: to take attendance in a new sheet and to take the attendance in a completely new spreadsheet. So first of all, let me take the attendance in a completely new spreadsheet. We have to click on this button. Then we have to uncheck first. Then we have to check this button again. Okay, to check the spreadsheet, we have to click on this button. Now you can see in a complete new spreadsheet, we have details of our attendance. The details of our attendance consist of the date and time, at when we have taken the attendance, the meeting link and the people that are present in our meeting. Now I will show you how to take attendance in a different sheet in the same spreadsheet. So I have to click on this button. Then I can check the sheet. You can see I have a new sheet and I have the previous sheet also, the attendance sheet, and the attendance, the new attendance that I have taken right now is recorded in this new sheet. So you can see the difference between a completely new spreadsheet and a new sheet. So we will be having two options to take the attendance in a completely new different spreadsheet or in a new sheet in the same spreadsheet, and we have to click on this switch to take the attendance. Thank you.